Within 17 days of using the tool, the checker, he got £4,500 back. Financial Style on New Style Radio 98.7 FM. It's about 8 minutes to 11 o'clock here on New Style Radio. Now, after 11, I've got some amazing guests. I'm talking to our Dragon's Den star this week, Camise Davis, who took her product Nyla Naturals onto the show. We're going to talk about what she achieved and what got her to take that step in the first place, but very proud of our local entrepreneur for doing what she's done. And we're also going to be learning more about the Governors podcast. Love it. Okay, I always think school governors when I think governors, and I encourage people to become a school governor, in particular if they want to get onto boards. It's like a really good stepping stone, and it's just a good way as well to monitor the school that your child is at. But putting that to the side now, if you want to learn more about that, make sure you stick with me after 11 o'clock. But have you got a package bank account? So, like when you go to the bank and all of a sudden you've got the blue card, the black card, the platinum card, the gold card, whatever. And what it is it's a package of extras that you pay a monthly fee for. So you might get travel insurance or mobile or breakdown, mobile breakdown insurance, or whatever else. Well, if you do, it could be that you have been missold this product, and for that reason could actually get a refund back in the form of thousands and thousands of pounds. Now, there is an online tool, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to post a link on my website. So to get to the online tool, you're going to have to check out financialstyle.media and come to today's show. The link will be up there no later than Monday morning, okay? And I will let everybody know on socials that it is there. But what you need to do is check out the link on the show to find out, on my website, to find out whether you can reclaim some fees for a missold packaged account. One chap did this, okay? He took on this account in the year 2000. Within 17 days of using the tool, the checker, he got £4,500 back. Now, who would scoff at getting £4,500 back? So, first thing you need to do, check if you need it, okay? So these accounts are useful for some ask, but you do need to ask yourself if you need this kind of insurance. It can be quite costly, with accounts costing £15 a month, which could be £180 a year. So again, just work out whether it's cheaper than the standalone insurance policy. Cancel now if the account isn't worth it. You need to stop leaking your cash. Now, unless you're certain the account was suitable, check now if you were missold. There are many reasons why you may have been missold, and I'll be honest with you, because I've got one of these accounts, I think maybe two, and actually I'm now thinking that this is something that I could genuinely have been missold, because I didn't actually get any comparisons as to what it would have been like legit without, because some of it I don't even think is relevant to me anyway. So we could be in the same boat, people. We could be getting back some checks. Now, there are many reasons why you could be missold, such as wrongly being told you had to have the account to get a mortgage or an overdraft, or you wouldn't have been able to claim on the insurance anyway, which is what I think is going on with me. Like, I can't actually claim a lot of that stuff, and yet not everything is mis-selling. So you do need to know that if you willingly took out the account or you went and begged them for it, okay, that might not count. I'm just saying. Now, if you were missold, it's easy to reclaim for free. There is a claim form, and it's called the Packaged Bank Account Reclaim Tool. As I say, I'm going to create a link for you to it on financialstyle.media website, so that you can actually find out, firstly, whether you could get a refund, and secondly, go through the process of putting forth your claim. The tool is completely free to use, and so you do not have to pay any third party to qualify for looking at getting your money back. I don't know about you people, but let me tell you something. Monday morning, I am on it like a cob bonnet. I'm just letting you know, and I think you should too. So if you've got a packaged bank account, so like I say, you know, when it's gold, platinum, this year, that year, like they call them all sorts of things, do you know what I mean? But in a nutshell, you pay not just a bank account fee, but a bank account fee for a package of services. If you are not using those services and you believe you've been missold, you can use the free tool to check out whether you actually have been. And if you have, you can go down there and ask these people very kindly if they would return your money, please. Okay? Because we're not out here trying to waste money. In fact, we are out here doing our very best to find the least amount of the most amount of happiness that we can, and create the least amount of damage that we can, which is exactly the track that I'm going to play now.